Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can choose the monostable timing instruction in INVT PLC. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and next we will create the new project. Click it on File and click it on New Project. Here you can give your program name, an example, mono timer. And here you have to be give the location where you like to save your program, and here you have to be give your PLC model. Which model you have, you can select it from here. I have IVC1L model and click it OK. As this window will be appear, after you can change your also zoom in and out function in the view section. You can see here is the display scale, which percentage you want, you can select it here. For easy to understand, I will put the 150 display size. This is the matter. Very simple and easy method. Choose one input address, any internal or external bit you can choose. I will choose this external bit X0, first input of my PLC, and click OK. And next you have to be choose in the instruction tree that second program control instruction. No, second, this is the third. No, sorry. Yeah, this is the second program control instruction. Inside you have to be see here in the third number TMON monostable timing instruction. You can drag and drop the function here, and next you have to be give the numbers and addresses, and here I choose decimal number and here click it OK. Sorry, but here you have to be put the value how much time after you like to start your output. An example, I will write it here 100 for example to timing to execute my output. No, sorry, this will be as you give the signal at the X0, this command will be starts your output immediately. As you give the signal, immediately will be start, and as your time will be completed 10 seconds, your output will be off. So here we will take the open contact of our timer T0 and click OK, and next we will choose the output, an example, and you can take, it's your choice, Y0 to Y3024. So this program we will be downloaded to the PLC. Click it on the download and click OK. And go to the monitor. F9 also you can press after get the monitoring. Otherwise you have to be click only this icon and your program will be start monitoring. And now you will be see I will press the X0 only just giving one single pulse. Now I press, you can see now I remove the signal from the X0, but you can see your timer has started and timing is running. As this 10 seconds are completed, this output is now off. Again one more time I will press the X0 and you can see time is started, output is on. As this time will be completed, output will be off. So hope guys you will be understand about this TMON timer. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.